Hey guys, so we're here at INA Connecticut, loading my first load of 2017 Honda CRV. Looks alright, airbag blowing, but car looks alright. Loading in my beautiful trailer. Alright. Alright, so just helping the driver a little bit. Perfect. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Alright, and then the keys should be inside. Gotta look at it. We'll take a diagnosis when we get there. Broken fender. Tires look alright. Only 17,000 miles. Yeah. Things. Got the keys inside. Blowing airbags. Let's take a quick look. Getting up there. Oi. Yep, no dash blowing, side airbag impact, that's a fixer. Blown airbag, we got money. Has the keys. The car do start. It's gonna need a little bit of fixing, but I can fix that because I have a upholstery shop. Overall, car is not bad. Nice. There you go. No moonroof. There you go. Sold. Has the function place inside. There you go. EcoBoost. Non-smoker. Alright. Yeah, all the paperwork, but a little dirty, but everything should be outstanding. And I can do that. I know I have the color. Gotta drop this out. But nice, huh? They try to push this out here. Oh, battery works. It's in park. We're gonna put the brakes. Okay. Yeah, 17,000 miles. Oh wow, starts right up. Nice. Only airbag, fuel and brake. Wow. No lights on it. That's it, because it has the blown airbags. Power window, power locks. Outstanding. That shouldn't be too hard to fix. Nice. Yeah. We're gonna stop it because we don't know if it has any leaks or anything like that. Hit the brake button. Perfect. Okay. Now, gotta take a back look. Roof okay. No damage on the roof. Alright, oh, watch your step. Has a tail that is pushed in a little bit. Gotta check that out. This is a bumper thing that's all together that needs to be repaired or replaced because it has these cracks in here. Yeah, gotta pull that out. Nice. Tires look okay. Yeah, that's part of the fender. No damage on this side here. There you go. Doors intact. There you go. Doors intact. Nice. No damage on here. Locks pretty good. Gaps alright. There you go. Nice. This is same thing. It got hit somehow. I think it got picked in the middle though. Oh wow. The bumper, few fender. No, the hood is okay. Couple of lights on the bottom, just a grill top. Yeah, that's not a bad deal. Yeah. Tires, yeah, 17,000 miles. Brakes all right. No damage. Doesn't look like it's hit. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. So, this is my Suburban, which I'm towing it with today. And my High Country tilt-trailer 2018 model, brand new spare tire with a 13,000 pound winch. Yeah, so first load of 2019 looks good. I always want to say that. Looks good. All right guys, we'll be back when we're gonna start pulling everything together. So enjoy your day. Happy New Year.